How to fix SkyQ mini box not responding to remote. Repair, IRBT and reset. So fix one is power cycle the SkyQ mini box. Press standby on the remote, unplug the SkyQ mini box from the wall socket, wait for 30 to 60 seconds for the system to power down completely. Plug the box back in and turn it on at the main. Wait for the startup light on the front of the box to disappear. Second fix is hard reset the SkyQ remote. Remove both batteries from the remote. Press and hold any button on the remote for 10 seconds to drain residual battery charge. Reinsert the battery into the remote. Ensure the battery cover is firmly secured. Third fix is repair the remote to the box. Point the remote directly to the SkyQ mini box. Press and hold button 7 and 9 together until the light at the top flashes 4 times. Press and hold button 1 and 3 together until the light flashes twice. Follow any on-screen instruction on your TV to complete the repairing process. Thanks for watching.